Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from StoryPlanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book Livewired, a creation by David Eagleman. Livewired, 2020, delves into the brain's continuous ability to reconfigure itself as it learns new information, leading to remarkable adaptability. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Dr. David Eagleman is a renowned neuroscientist and successful author, known for books like Brain and Incognito. He is the creator and host of a TV show about the brain, which was nominated for an Emmy Award. Additionally, he is involved in running NeoSensory, a company focusing on neuroscience technology. With 7 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book on StoryPlanet.net. To start, discover the dynamic nature of the brain and understand the reasons behind its continuous changes. Neuroscientist David Eagleman considers the human brain the greatest technology due to its adaptability and ability to cope with change. The brain constantly reconfigures itself, a process called live wiring. The brain's adaptability allows blind people to possess exceptional musical talent, individuals to feel magnetic fields, and explains a phenomenon like the IBM logo color change in the 1980s. Key idea number 1, brains are capable of reconfiguring themselves as necessary. Matthew had half his brain removed at age 6 due to severe seizures and remarkably recovered well after this procedure. The human brain is highly adaptable and capable of rewiring itself to compensate for lost functions. The brain is not fixed, but constantly changing, with different regions communicating and adjusting. Experiences and interactions shape the brain, especially during childhood when it is most flexible. The brain can reassign regions for different functions according to needs, as seen in blind individuals who may develop heightened skills in other areas. Key idea number 2, the brain can process various types of sensory information. In the 1960s, physician Paul Bach-y-Rita pioneered sensory substitution by converting images into mechanical movement felt on a blind man's back, allowing him to identify objects. The brain can process various forms of sensory information. Examples include sonic glasses for blind individuals and cochlear implants for hearing. Sensory enhancement can extend sensory capabilities, like a helmet for 360-degree vision. Sensory addition includes creating new senses, such as feeling magnetic fields. The brain is adept at processing diverse inputs, potentially leading to innovative uses like sensing internet data or partners' bodily functions. Ultimately, the brain determines how to interpret this newfound information. Key idea number 3. The brain has the ability to adapt and control different types of bodies it is connected to. Faith the two-legged dog and archer Matt Stutzman show how adaptable the brain is. The brain can learn new skills by adapting to different body types or using artificial limbs controlled by brain power. Through principles like babbling and motor learning, individuals like engineer Destin Sandlin can train the brain to master complex tasks. Advancements in prosthetics and brain-controlled robotics showcase the potential for a future where we could control devices and even robots using only our minds. Key idea number 4. The brain adapts to prioritize important information. It takes a lifetime of practice and motivation to achieve high levels of skill. The brain adapts based on what it considers important, driven by motivation and necessity. Acetylcholine is crucial in rewiring the brain, only released when the brain deems something significant. The brain's flexibility is tied to the importance it assigns to tasks and goals, leading to changes in brain function and development. Key idea number 5. The brain stores stable information to avoid constant thinking about it. The brain processes stable information to save energy and focuses on what's exceptional. This is seen in phenomena like the IBM logo, color illusion, waterfall optical effects, and the brain filtering out stable visuals. The brain's adaptation to stable information explains addictions and emotional responses to loss or change. Key idea number 6. Brain plasticity decreases with age. Brain plasticity is highest in childhood and declines with age. The brain is more flexible at younger ages, making it easier to adapt and change. Different parts of the brain solidify at varying rates, affecting abilities like language accent. While certain areas become resistant to change, other regions stay adaptable throughout life. An active brain, engaged in learning and mental activities, can continue rewiring itself even in old age. The Nun study showed that elderly individuals who remained mentally active had brains that were resilient to diseases like Alzheimer's. Key idea number 7. Older memories are more enduring than recent ones. Synesthetes from the 1960s to 1980s associated colors with letters due to Fisher-Price alphabet magnets. Memories are complex and stored differently, like cloud computing. Memory involves more than just synapses, including gene expression and neuron growth. There is much left to discover about the brain, offering potential for applications like flexible robot design or buildings that adapt based on occupants. In conclusion, the human brain is highly adaptable and can reconfigure itself through a process called livewiring when experiencing new sensations, bodily changes, or learning new skills. This ability remains possible even as we age. Understanding this process opens up immense potential for the future. These ideas are explored in the book Livewired. The book Incognito delves into the brain's various hidden processes and capabilities, shedding light on what occurs without our conscious awareness. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.